So after the event is over, the brain becomes highly sensitized to any reminder of the original event, no matter how out of context. So again, we think about triggering in very obvious ways, like male people triggering survivors of sexual abuse. But actually, triggering is much more subtle. A cloudy day might trigger a sense of threat. Rain, snow, the smell of cigarette smoke, hearing a door open, hearing a creak in a floor. And so, very importantly, every time there is some trigger, even when it's so subtle, the individual doesn't recognize it, that trigger is experienced as a threat. And so what happens is the amygdala is repeatedly re-stimulated and repeatedly activates emergency stress responses so that we continue to have this cycle of feeling fear, alarm, impulses to run, to fight, even if it's to fight against ourselves, and the prefrontal cortex shutting down, which doesn't allow an evaluation. Are we really in danger? Or are we just triggered?